Have you ever wanted to see a marshmallow after it was microwaved for 3 minutes? No? Well, now you can. That's what happens to your mini marshmallow when it's in there for 3 minutes. Looks like a brain. Now, I'm not sure what's going to happen when I poke it. I mean, it can burn and blow up. Oh no. Oh my god. It's as hard as a rock. Now, I only let it sit for like maybe a minute. Sadly, my camera had died, and I can still turn it back on. Anyways, this is what it looks like on the inside. Delicious, nom. And I don't know if I can use that as charcoal or something.